Hi, I'm Ann Scott, the owner of Fiber Designs by Ann. Photographs have been such an inspiration to me that I wanted to use actual photographs in my fiber art. That led me to design and develop a series of artwork I call Photographs on Fiber. Why just frame a special photograph when it could be surrounded by fabric and fiber? Now you can learn how to surround your favorite photo in my course, How to Make a Photo on Fiber Mixed Media Art Quilt. I will guide you step by step through the process, and you'll learn how I categorize the photographs and then how to select a photograph. You'll learn ways to design and draft the pattern. I'll talk about the fabrics and the fibers, and I'll teach you how some of the fibers may be constructed and attached using a little hand stitching. You'll learn how to cut out and layer the materials, and how to add texture and depth using a quilting or home sewing machine. Then I'll show you how to finish the photo on fiber piece by placing it inside a shadow box frame, and how to wire it for display. So grab your favorite photographs and join me for this Photo on Fiber Mixed Media Art Quilt course on Curious.com.